Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something every English learner struggles with, pronunciation.
Yes, you might know all the grammar and vocabulary, but sometimes people still don't understand you.
That's because small pronunciation mistakes can change how words sound completely.
But don't worry. In this video, we'll show you the most common mistakes and how to fix them easily.
By the end, you'll sound clearer, more natural, and more confident when speaking English. The TH sound trouble.
Oh yes, many learners say ting instead of thing or a dis instead of this.
To pronounce it correctly, put your tongue between your teeth and blow air gently.
Let's practice together. Say thank you.
Now say, "This is my birthday."
Perfect. Remember, your tongue should touch lightly between your teeth.
V and W confusion.
Yes, many learners say berry instead of very or wine instead of vine.
For the V sound, bite your lower lip gently and make a vibration.
For the W sound, round your lips like a small circle. W, w.
Let's try. I love vanilla.
Now say, I want water.
Nice. That's the right way. Silent letters.
English has lots of silent letters, and that can be confusing.
Yes. For example, knee, knife, hour, and doubt.
You don't pronounce the K in knee or the B in doubt.
Let's practice. I hurt my knee.
It takes an hour.
Good. Always remember to skip the silent letters. The soft R sound.
Another common problem is the R sound.
Many learners roll it too much, like in other languages.
In English, R is soft and smooth.
Relax your tongue and say red, right, car.
Let's practice together. The red car is right there.
Perfect. Keep it soft and natural. Word stress.
Now let's talk about word stress.
This means one part of a word is louder or stronger than the rest.
For example, photograph and photographer.
If you stress the wrong part, people might not understand you.
Let's practice. Say record and record.
Hear the difference? Stress changes meaning. Ending sounds.
Yes, many learners drop the T, D, or S at the end of words.
For example, I post it instead of I post it.
Or he missed the bus instead of he missed the bus.
Always finish your words completely. It makes your speech clear and correct.
Let's practice. I need a list.
He missed the bus.
Perfect.
The schwa sound.
Now here's a secret. The most common sound in English is the schwa.
It's the little sound, like in about, banana, or teacher.
It's soft and relaxed, not strong.
Say about, not about.
Say banana, not banana.
That sounds much more natural. Linking words.
Native speakers don't speak word by word. They connect words together.
For example, instead of saying, "What are you doing?" slowly, they say, "What you doing?"
Or going to becomes gonna, and want to becomes wanna.
This is called linking or connected speech.
It makes your English sound smooth and natural.
Listening practice.
To fix pronunciation, you need to listen carefully to native speakers.
Watch English movies, YouTube videos, or podcasts.
Don't just hear, really listen. Notice how they move their mouth and stress words.
You can even pause and repeat what they say.
That's one of the best ways to improve fast.
Record yourself.
Yes, when you listen to yourself, you can hear what sounds different.
Compare it with a native speaker and fix one sound each day.
Little steps every day make a big difference.
And most important, be confident.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers.
Pronunciation improves with practice, not perfection.
So speak English every day, even if it's just to yourself.
Read aloud, repeat, and enjoy the process. Final message.
So these are the most common English pronunciation mistakes and how to fix them.
If you practice daily, you'll sound clearer, more natural, and more confident.
Remember, pronunciation is not about having a perfect accent.
It's about being understood easily and speaking smoothly.
Keep practicing and soon you'll sound amazing.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video. Bye!